All right, so I've got my spare key in. It's got some wear on it. I got those new covers that we posted up about. So I'll try to do a quick video to show you guys how to put those onto this. It comes with this uncut key, but you won't need that. Just pay attention to, with the horse being on the back, the key's got this little ring and a triangle on that side, and then the cut part on this side with the buttons. Try to put them in the same orientation. I'm just using this little snap-on pry tool. Try this wider one. There's a little groove in there, just pop that apart. So that's how you would change your battery. That cover just pops right off. The other one, and I actually am going to replace the batteries while I've got it apart. It doesn't hurt. They're the CR1220 batteries. This one, I think there is a little slot to move it. So you just get that in there and it pops right off. So I'm gonna do that one first, just holding the key. Take this cover off. You've got your new cover. I like to start with placing this long flat part along the back first, and then just pop it on. So there's one side. The side we're gonna put the new batteries in. Just like that. Then you've got your new cover with the horse on it. It's covered up with black tape. You've got your flat side again. Place that side down first. Pop it together. Pull the tape off, and you've got a brand new Ferrari key cover. That easy.